In this video, I am going to discuss how to increase the performance of the Windows 11 operating system. There are many reasons why an operating system's performance can decrease. Let's look at them one by one. Now let's see how to open Task Manager. You can press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape, or right-click on the Strat menu and select Task Manager. You can view open applications, background processes, and also check how much CPU, memory, and disk your system is using. Next, you can monitor system performance. You can see CPU usage, RAM usage, disk activity, and network usage in real time. Looking here, you can see that the RAM on this system is mostly used by Google Chrome. Similarly, the hard disk is mostly used by the application OBS Studio. Here you can see the apps, background processes, and Windows processes running on this system. If any app is not responding, you can force it to close by selecting it and clicking End Task. Another useful feature is Startup Management. You can disable unnecessary applications that start with Windows, which helps improve boot speed. But here's an important warning: do not end system processes without knowing what you are doing, as it may affect your system. Let's see how to force stop an application using End Task. If you right-click from this application called PC Manager, click End Task. You will see that this application is missing from the Task Manager. When an operating system is turned on, many applications are loaded along with it. We can increase the performance of the system by disabling those that we do not need at startup. If we click on Startup Apps on the left, we can see all the applications on Windows Startup here. Do not disable all applications, as applications like antivirus need to be loaded at startup. Let's check the processing in the Task Manager of this operating system. Here we see an application called Spotify Free running. This application is related to music. We only need to run this application when we want to listen to music. However, in this operating system, it loads at startup itself, so we can disable it from the startup application. If we go back to Startup Apps, select Spotify Free and press the right button, we can see the option to disable it. Now, the next time you restart your system, the Spotify Free app will not be enabled for startup. Instead, the app will use system resources from the moment Spotify is opened. I'll show you another trick to improve your Windows performance by turning off visual effects. For that, we need to select System in the Start menu. Then click on Advanced System Settings. Then select the Advanced tab and click on Settings under Performance. By default, Windows decides Visual Effects. If you select Adjust for the based appearance, Windows will add all graphic animations to the operating system. But what we need here is Adjust for the best performance. Here, you can simply select Adjust for best performance. This will turn off all unnecessary animations and visual effects. Once you apply the settings, you will notice that your system feels faster and more responsive. The only downside is that the interface may look a bit simple, but the performance improvement is worth it. So if your PC is slow, this is one of the easiest ways to boost performance. Next, I'll show you how to increase virtual memory in Windows to improve your system performance. This is especially useful if your computer has low random access memory. Go to the Start menu, select System. And then select Advanced System Settings. Then select the Advanced tab and click on Settings under Performance. After that, you will see a button called Change in the Advanced tab. This is where virtual memory or the page file is created. By default, Windows itself creates the page file. We are given the information of that page file here. We can also set the page file manually. Select the drive where the operating system is located. After that, you need to select the custom size. When creating a paging file, we need to know the memory size of our system. The number obtained by multiplying it by 1.5 should be given as the initial size. My system currently has 8 GB of memory. I will first convert it to MB and then multiply the number A by 1.5. This is my paging file size. Similarly, the maximum size is the amount you get when you multiply the memory by 3. To convert 8 GB to MB, enter 8 by 1024. Multiplying this result by 3 gives us the maximum size of the paging result. Let's give this number the maximum size. After applying the settings, restart your computer for the changes to take effect. This can help reduce lag, improve performance, and make your system more stable. So if your PC is slow, this is a very useful trick. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more IT tutorials. If you are interested in learning more about this topic, please comment below.